In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import files in Google Colab from GitHub. This is a really handy skill to have, especially if you're working with data science projects or collaborating with others on computational tasks. So, whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, this guide will make the process simple and efficient. To start, let's open Google Colab. If you aren't familiar, Google Colab is an excellent tool provided by Google that allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser, making it perfect for machine learning and data analysis tasks. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is locate and click on the File menu at the top left of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Open Notebook. After clicking Open Notebook, a dialog box will pop up, giving you a few options. You'll want to direct your attention to the GitHub tab located at the top of this dialog. Clicking on this tab allows you to import files directly from GitHub, a widely used platform for version control and collaborative coding. Now with the GitHub tab open, you'll need to paste the URL of the GitHub repository you want to import files from. This can be any repository that contains the files you need. Simply copy the URL from your web browser and paste it into the provided field in Google Colab. This step is crucial as it tells Google Colab exactly where to look for the files you're interested in. After pasting the URL, you'll see a list of files from the repository. What we're interested in here is the IPython file, which stands for IPython Notebook, the file format used by Jupyter Notebook and Colab. These files are where all of the magic happens, containing all the code, comments, and outputs related to your project. Select the IPython file you want by simply clicking on it. If the repository has multiple notebook files, make sure you choose the correct one that corresponds to your current project needs. Finally, with the correct file chosen, click Open Notebook. Google Colab will take a moment to load everything up. Once loaded, voila! You'll have the notebook open, ready for you to run and edit the code as you wish. Keep in mind that any changes you make will need to be pushed back to GitHub if you want to save them, and for that, you'll want to familiarize yourself with Git commands. And there you have it. You've successfully imported a notebook from GitHub to Google Colab. This process can be repeated for any public repository and is a powerful way to leverage the wealth of resources available on GitHub. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your data science journey just a bit easier. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or check out additional tutorials for more in-depth information. Happy coding!